cool, sleek turntable. Looks like something out of James Bond. Super cool. So the issue I'm having is it does not even start. Nor does the arm move or lift. So that changes. I think we're gonna take the top and the bottom off. Boy, that's on there. Is it these two? Maybe it's these. Oh, it did help. Okay. Then we're gonna take the switch off with this screw here. So put that screw back for safekeeping. This one in the front. All right, that feels loose now. Oh, wow. There's a broken belt there. But there's the switch right here that, where is it? Right there. That may be required to be closed for the platter to turn on. Let's find out. So if I manually spin it, you can hear the switch. So let's bring it so that the switch is closed. Okay. Let's see if it fixes the problem. Well, it's trying to open and close stuff. Ah, this motor here. So let's put the bottom back on. There we go, check that out. Open. Okay, so that track is working as expected. Now, oh there, look at that. So if the transport arm is not all the way to the right, it will not start. So we just gotta fix that belt and maybe we're back on track. Here's a quick playback test of the Sony PS-FL7II. Alright, let's go forward.